Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study the example of state analysis model. Yesterday in your previous lecture we covered the topic of state model. So here we are going to cover the topic in an example. So your first example is obtain state variable model of system is described by equation. This is the given equation you have, that is y double dash t plus 8y dash t plus 2y t is equal to r of t. So this is a given equation. This double dash means double derivative. Derivative of y with respect to t plus double derivative of y with respect to t into 8 plus 2 into y into t. So this is the given equation to you. Now you have to obtain state variable model for system. So as you know, state variable model consists of two equations. One is equation for state equation and input equation. So you have to find both these equations. The general formula for state equation is A x of t plus b u of t. For input equation, the equation is c of x of t plus d of u of t. This a, b, c, d are only constants. So here we have second order differential equation. As we see in the input given equation, we have second order differential equation. So what we're gonna do, we will use two state variable. So if we have double derivative maximum of two derivatives, so we are going to use two state variables. So I'm going to let one variable should be x1t and another variable is x2t. Okay, so let x1t and x2t be the two state variables. Now y double dash t plus 8y dash t plus 2yt is equal to r of t. This is a given equation to you. Now let us suppose your y1 yt is equal to x1t. We are supposing this. That simple y of t will be equal to x1t because we want to convert all these values into a single variable in terms of x. So start by starting this. So very first variable yt is equal to x1t. So now the second is again we will derivate this yt. So now जब दूसरी बार आपने इसको डेरिवेट किया तो ये y dash t हो गया. The answer should be x1 dash t. But our limit is कि हम मैक्सिमम ही जो भी आप वेरिएबल कंसीडर कर रहे हो उसको मैक्सिमम एक डिफ्रेंसिएशन आप कर सकते हो. उससे ज़्यादा डिफ्रेंसिएशन आप नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकते जो आप लेट कर रहे हो उसके ऊपर. ठीक है, इसको आप x1 डबल डैश टी तक नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ यहीं तक रख सकते हो. तो इसको मैंने फिर से लेट कर दिया. कौन सा सेकंड वेरिएबल x2t आपने इसको लेट कर दिया. नाउ अगेन डेरिवेट दिस वैल्यू अगेन. सो y डबल डैश टी. सो अब ये वाला आप कंसीडर नहीं कर सकते हो x1 डैश टी. वाई? बिकॉज मैंने आपको बोला यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वन वेरिएबल तक आप इसको वन डेरिवेटिव तक इसको आप हाईएस्ट वैल्यू इसकी हमेशा क्या रहती है, डेरिवेटिव वन, मैक्सिमम पावर वन जाएगी. तो आपने इसको कंसीडर किया, आप इसको डेरिवेट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो y डबल डैश टी, टी की वैल्यू क्या निकल गई, x2 डैश टी. Also again by taking this equation we can write it, shift all 8y dash t and 2yt to the right side. Okay, the equation will be modified as minus 2yt minus 8y dash t plus r of t. Okay, now substitute all the values of y in terms of x so that your equation has only one single variable. So y double dash t is equal to x2 dash t and your yt is equal to your yt value is x1t. So substitute here x1t. Now the next is y dash t. Y dash t is equal to x2t. So substitute here x2t and r of t. So this is the modified equation of this one. So now you have to explain in terms of matrix how you gonna form this matrix. Your output is this. Your y double dash t is converted into x2 dash t. So the two inputs you got is derivative of x1 dash t and x2 dash t. Okay, in left hand side, which will be equal to initially just leave the matrix here. हमने यहाँ पे किसके टर्म्स में करना है, x1 और x2 की टर्म्स में. The generalized equation. go through my previous video. There I will explain properly how to maintain this matrix. Then there is one more matrix plus 0, 1 and r of t. अब how you substitute these values 0, 1, -2 and 8? Listen. So in terms of x1 dash t, in x1 dash t, okay, what is the value of x1? What is the value of x1? x1 is equal to 0. Here the equation is x1 dash t is equal to x of t. So there is no constant in terms of x1 t. So full value of x1 t will be equal to 0. But we have x2 t here. So the constant value is 1. So we are considering here 1. Now in terms of x2 t, so now when we consider x2 t, okay, so x2, here we are considering the derivative of x2 t dash. What we are going to have, x1 t, उसका वेरिएबल क्या है आपका -2, तो हमने यहाँ पे -2 लिख लिया. x2 t का वेरिएबल क्या है -8, तो हमने यहाँ पे -8 लिख लिया. ओके. सिमिलरली r of t, in x1 t dash there is no r of t, so the answer is 0. But in case of x2 t, the r of t will be 1. So we are substituting here 1. So modified input state variable equation will be, model will be represented by this. Similarly, you have to make your output state model also. In case of output state model, what you are going to do, the output value is y of t, which will be equal to c of xt plus d of ut. This is a generalized formula. So now you have substitute the value of c, d, x of t and u of t. C will always a single row, and 1 cross 2 matrix रहेगा ये. Okay, and this will be 2 cross 1 matrix. Okay, so here we can see the value of c. x हमें पता है, हमने दो वेरिएबल्स लिए, x1t और x2t हमने डायरेक्टली लिख लिया. u of t की जगह हम r of t लिख लेंगे. अब in terms of c, what you gonna write here? Here c, y of t. Where is y of t? Initial value y of t, here x1t. x1t is equal to y of t. Okay, so you let y of t is equal to x1t. तो x1t का वेरिएबल 1 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे x of t तो कोई है नहीं, तो यहाँ पे 0 वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे अगेन y of t में कोई भी r of t नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 0. सो ये क्या हो गई आपकी आउटपुट स्टेट मॉडल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.